where we grew up. Do you still recognize the dirt beneath your feet? The fields you once knew are stripped bare, and that idyllic village where we once played lies broken on barren grounds. Through piercing plastics and lost rubble, cries stumble like wounded animals between townhouses, relics of the old religion and symbols of a promised future. Light now cowers under decaying furniture, and the proud elite of society now tear murky cotton from each other's finest suits, ripping chunks of flesh and fibres in a fight to the death for the last drops of polluted water left dormant on a restless, drained riverbed. Rusted bells imprisoned in stone fortresses send thunder crashing into cursed air with each pitiful swing, beating themselves to death for a dream, an obligation to revive the rotten carcass of the old world. Is this what you see? Through glass stained by ignorance and neglect, and thick smoke overflowing onto unshielded mud, grows a cascade of vivid colours. Life sprawls and sprawls in a reckless charge. A tree's grasp inches closer to the concrete that paves delicately around it. Winter's lashings tear stone apart, but one day the earth will heal into vibrant shoots to reinstate the memories of a peaceful planet. In bright clothes we'll march towards the proud calling of ancient churches. Bells ring out brilliant sound, carried firmly across open fields and neon districts.